In this video, we're going to have a look at the asset selector. Just like the asset outliner, we can find the asset selector on the right-hand side in the sidebar. So the asset selector goes together with assets, in where every asset can have a specific asset selector element. So let me show you by loading a character which is a bit more involved, which has a couple more objects. So as you can see, the moment the asset was loaded in a scene, an additional option became available as part of the asset element, in where when I selected the asset in question, it gave me an image, kind of giving me the ability to select the different controls a bit easier. So if we have a look at the So in this case, we can see that even though that we have objects selected in the channel box, nothing seems to be selected on the object in the scene view. That's just because our asset in this case has both an FK and IK set up, and we can only see the IK control. So if I would select any of the crosses, I can see that the interface is indeed working fine. So in this case, the asset selector is really there just to kind of give us the ability to select objects which are part of a specific asset a bit easier. Because again, like sometimes the moment you have a couple of assets in your scene, it might become quite hard to efficiently select the different parts. So that's kind of where the asset selector comes in, and where you have a different layout of the controls, a layout that doesn't really change no matter the pose of the asset. So on one side we have that, and then below we have also the ability to quickly select or key groups of controls, really. So in this case, let's say if we have the left IK controls, I can see I have my foot, I have my knee. So then if I actually hit key, I can see it will create keys for all of those objects and its channels. So it's quite convenient. So that's it. Thanks for listening.